this is one of those lingerie type that you want your spouse to remember for the rest of his life. Hi guys, welcome to another lingerie try-on from Shopee. I know it's been a while that I haven't done any voiceover. Well, I'm under the weather for a long time and I hope this video will give you more exciting. So in today's video, let's talk about very sexy, tiny, erotic panty. It is fun, exciting, and if you're the adventurous type, you are going to love it. This lingerie is not for everybody because this is fun. This is more of those who wants to dare someone. And this is enjoyable for some. It might be uncomfortable for many. This is one of those lingerie type that you want your spouse to remember for the rest of his life. So why not give it a try? And for the cost of this, I only bought it for 61 pesos, which is very affordable. And the material, oh my gosh, it's tiny, it's a lace type, it's G-string, and the material type is nylon and spandex, so it's very flexible, stretchable, so it's more of an easy wear. This type of lingerie, you have to be very careful. No rubbing if you want to wash it. Hand wash, yes, cold hand wash. Hang to dry, no ironing, because this is very delicate material. You know, this is an investment. If you want this lingerie to last for a little bit, then take good care of it. Now for the exciting part, I hope you like it. I hope you like this lingerie try on from Shopee, and this is going to be our part 31. This is a G-strings, lacy type material. If you like this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!